fundamentals and like real websites and apps. Um, yeah, change it.
Yeah.
And then after that, we're gonna ideate. We're gonna just take a look at some ChatGPT prompts to like help us do that, and we have like a big list of project ideas. After that, we're gonna do some wireframing, and then we're gonna start designing with Figma. I have a ton of paper right here, so if you're a paper wireframing person, got that for you. And then after that, it's your turn. You guys get to work together or work on your own and um, use all of the things that we've learned today. So back to the basics. So first, colors have meanings. Every single color has a meaning. And then how you use it with other colors kind of can like accentuate that as well. So what do you guys think some of the logos up here? What kind of meanings do they have? So we know, for example, the Marvel logo, lots of passion, right? All of the action in Marvel movies is it's got to be action. It's got to be excitement, strength, love, energy. Having a super red logo like that, just it does the branding for them. They don't need to say much else. Um, let's see. Uber. The black, it's dramatic. I mean, with like the curves of the letters, things like that, and it's they're trying to give sophistication and security. Um, so this is our first slide on hierarchy. Um, it kind of gets you. It kind of gets you, right? You definitely look at the first you'll read this, then you'll read this, and then this, and then you'll probably see this last. So hierarchy is the arrangement and organization of elements to show their importance. It can be done with size, with color, with position, with white space, with typography, and you see it in like newspapers with the massive heading and then a tinier subheading and then the super tiny body. And even more importantly, like the big images on there. That's the biggest thing. That's where designers are trying to draw your attention. So it's very important. And here I wrote, it improves readability and user experience because you're guiding the user's eye. It it really helps. It really helps. Okay, so white space and negative space. Um, I wasn't really sure how to explain this one because it's just emptiness, but there's a ton of emphasis on all of the elements on here. Um, we can see each of them more individually than, say, the last slide that had a ton of stuff. You had to read all of it. So it allows us to put a lot of emphasis on these tiny little things, and like the Google search really does that, really uses that with the search bar right in the middle. Then everything is made of columns and rows. So we see the newspaper example again. We see the rows, we can kind of see the columns, or sorry, we see the columns, we can kind of see the rows in there. With Apple dies up iPhone, and then the row under would be movies getting star billing on iTunes. And then on the screenshot of the App Store, like we can definitely see it. Uh, how the app icon is there, and like Minecraft. All of these things are kind of laid out in these rows and columns. Um, so we'll move on. This is a little bit more on all of those, but I just wanted to like go back to the basics for a second. There's a link here to read more on that, and then we have additional resources at the end of the presentation. So now we're going to go and we're going to spot the design elements. And if I'm going too fast, just let me know. I don't present very often, as you can probably tell, but I enjoy it. So let's do the Google search. What do we see here? You can raise your hand. You can just shout them out if you want to. Yeah. Rows, where do you see the rows? Oh, that's amazing. Yes, there are rows. Do you see the like hidden column in it? Uh-huh. Anything else?
I see a color and a hierarchy
Colors and hierarchies?
at the top of the interactive thingamajig.
Which one?
Like the interactive thingamajig on the top, like the game.
Oh, yes. Yeah, lots of color there. So they're trying to draw your eye to that and possibly get you to click on it. Anything else?
Huge white space.
White space. Yeah, lots and lots of white space. Exactly. And I mean, that's pretty much what they use. Their thing is white space. Like they just want you to see exactly what's in the middle, and everything else is like takes you to other places. So they want you to not look too far at those, but they are still Google services. So, okay, what about Instagram? I'm sure all of us have Instagram on our phones. If you want, you can whip it out. Let's see. But this is the like our Instagram. Can definitely see the columns and rows here. He's telling me to be louder.
Yeah, it's a quieter one.
Okay. So what do we see? What do we see? Let's do the first screen actually. What do we see on the first screen? Since that one's a little bit easier.
Name and logo.
Name and logo. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Those ones are up there. Normally if there's a story, you'd see like the pop of color around. We have like the grid at the bottom. What about the Reels page? Reels page is kind of harder to identify what's there. Yeah. Yeah, the buttons in the column. Yeah, exactly. Anyone else notice anything? Yeah.
Progress bar on bottom.
Progress bar. Yes, yeah, that's a good one. They also have, it doesn't feel like it, but it's a lot of white space. If you can't tell, I really love white space, but a lot of white space there for the actual video itself. So these elements are like catering to the the video that has to be played every single time. Like these elements are, they're not hidden, but they want to be hidden. They want to be like quieter than the video that's playing. Then of course the post page for the session. Somebody who hasn't answered before, I'll just like stare at you aggressively. You'll know. Okay. So here we also have the rows and columns. It's a big thing, especially because that's how we build things. You know, we start from the top and we work our way down. That's a column. And then if we want to add like a navigation bar, that's a row. In most cases, like on mobile, it would be a column too. So a lot of these elements, they all work together. They all work together to create something that is really interactable and good to use. Okay, now let's talk about ideation. So ideation is really important. It's not underrated, but I think we don't put enough emphasis on it sometimes. Like we think we just have an idea and then we don't think it through all the way. Um, So I think it's really important nowadays, especially that we have LLMs to just go and ask, like, hey, how can I make this better? Um, what can I do? What features can I implement that you wouldn't be already thinking of? And like you can do that easily with an LLM because you don't have to like go and find somebody to talk to. But if you're just like on your, or if you're with a ton of people, go ahead and ask. Like most people aren't gonna steal your idea. They don't want to steal your idea. So, ideation is all about collaboration and trying to come up with new things. So, don't know where to start. That's okay. Okay, big list of project ideas. The green ones are always good to have kind of things. The blue ones are a little bit more difficult, a little bit more specialized, and then the last ones you have like stock trading simulator. You got some like quant stuff in there, some ML AI stuff in there too. So take a picture of this. Take a picture of this. I mean, you'll have the slides, but recommend. I tried really hard with this, so please. All right, so while you're thinking about those, we have a little prompt for us. Still not sure, prompt it. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of Claude. I love Claude, like second best friend or something. So I'm not gonna actually read it. There's no reason to read it, but just take a picture. The slides are gonna be on our website, so cool stuff. I love Claude. I love LLMs. It's important.
Sorry, could I just?
Yeah.
Hey guys, also, oh man, hey, hello. Sorry. You guys can access all of these slides on our Discord, so we've published them all so you can guys follow along if you want to copy paste the prompt text. And also, I noticed that the room is a little bit weird with the acoustics, so it's a little quiet. So if you could switch to this microphone, maybe it'll get better.
Yeah.
Just want everyone to hear.
Cool.
There you go.
Is it on already?
It is, yeah.
Hi. Hi, but a little bit louder. Okay, so yeah. Actually, this is the next slide. So yeah, now we're on to the Figma portion. We're like going quick. We're speedy through this. Because I really want you guys to start collaborating and working on your ideas together. So yeah. So please type in the link, join our Figma. Let's see where I put it. Looks like this when you first enter. Hey, I see somebody. Yeah, please join. Please join. Okay. There we go. I keep forgetting to change things.
Yeah,
It's just
sorry.
like not in my line of sight.
I can't do anything about
Yeah,
that. I'm sorry.
you're good. You're good.
Okay, but also don't forget that the camera is there.
Okay, so that's yeah.
Just like tap there, tap here. Or I could just be here, like sitting.
All right, I'm gonna go check. I better see a bunch of you just like. Oh my gosh, so many of you guys destroying my designs. What are you doing? Wow. Yeah. Oh, password. Sorry. It's Sparky Pizza. Sparky Pizza. Do you know why? Because we're gonna make a little pizza delivery app. Because I know you guys love pizza so much. Oh my gosh, you guys are going crazy in here. Okay, we're gonna bring it back to this. Okay, I'll check in like another minute. I better see even more. Okay. Okay. All right. It looks like there are a few more people. Hi guys. How you doing? So nice to have you here. Okay, good. My wireframing example is still saved. Please don't post it. Oh my goodness. That's for later. Okay. Any questions, any concerns? Do I need to show you some slides again? You can raise your hand, you can shout it out. Okay, so I'll take that as a no. All right. Let's talk about some rules real quick. So Figma jokes are appreciated. I am fully aware of the elephant in the room. If you change literally one letter, you're set up for a pretty good joke of Figma. So yeah. Please comment. Please comment. Comment or else. That guy is really mad, so I recommend commenting. Another thing, nothing is entirely original anymore. Like, just not at all. So you basically what I'm trying to say is it's okay to take a lot of design inspiration from designs that you like. That's totally normal. Like in the industry, totally normal. You will change some colors, change maybe some border radius, curve of like a rectangle, but yeah, like it's okay. And then number 5, you're more creative than you think. And number 6, ask questions. We're not as scary as your professor. I'm definitely not as scary as your professor. So would also recommend doing that. So I just want to reiterate, press C or click that little button. I'll show you on here too. This guy. Yeah, just hi. There you go. I love how you guys are just designing stuff already. Going crazy in here. Okay, okay, let me introduce, I already introduced it, but introducing our idea, Sparky's Pizza Delivery App. Sparky really likes pizza. I think we know this too. Okay, so our task. I'm gonna read this because it's just so good. Sparky needs our help creating a delivery app for his pizzeria. Forks up was his only requirement. We really don't know what that means, but he looks very mad and it's not done yet. So GDSC created the menu screen for us. Now all we have to do is create 2 screens in Figma, the pizza detail screen and the delivery tracker screen. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Raise your elbow if that makes sense. Your right elbow. This one. Okay, so I see some people doing it. So the people who aren't raising their right elbow, like, do we have questions? Okay, so yeah, I got you. It's exam week. I feel that. I feel that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna define our features. We're gonna get our inspiration. We're gonna wireframe, possibly on paper, and then we're gonna take it to Figma. So first thing, this is kind of more about your own idea because I want to get you guys thinking about it. So let's, brainstorm features for a little while. What features do other food delivery apps have? How does Sparky's Pizza stand out? What features do other food delivery apps lack? What features are 100% necessary? I will give you 5 minutes. Also, there is a prompt idea for this one too. Also, in the meantime, I'm gonna hand out some paper. So if you have a pencil, I mean, I hope everyone here has a pencil, but I know we're all techie people, so maybe not. but you should. I can give you paper if you want. There's no paper. Got it? Okay, okay.
Hey guys, also, so sorry, we were setting up the venue for a long time today, so we kind of jumped right in to not waste time. I just want to say real quick, this is the first session, this is our first workshop. We are working together today on understanding Figma and then creating a whole project, so the pizza app, right? So you guys are walking home today with a small project that you made in Figma, as you saw the link, /Figma at asudsc.com. And you'll be able to show it to friends, have it. And after the session, if you have any questions or you want to work on your own ideas from one of the ideas that were presented in the bank, you guys are free to stay and we're going to help you out. And we absolutely encourage you to talk to your neighbors and see if you guys can collaborate on stuff, because this is what we're trying to nourish here. So yeah, also sorry about the sound problems. If you guys can hear anything or if it's too quiet, please let us know. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay, please keep it next to the mouth because it's so quiet.
I'm sorry, I'm
Okay.
trying.
Are you switching slides? Okay.
No,
Oh,
just did that.
oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I can just disable this camera if you want, if it's like,
No, it's not about the
I know,
camera. I don't
okay.
care.
Okay, everyone got the.
This one is
papers?
recording
Just
it,
raise
so.
your hand if you didn't get anything.
Did everyone get paper? Raise your hand if you did not get paper.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Nice. Okay. Let me just figure out the.
Thank you.
Someone
recording
new
here.
comes in.
Well, I'm gonna use.
And make sure this camera works. Okay, this camera does work. Nice. Perfect.
Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Y'all, I just went back on the Figma. You guys. This is amazing. You guys are literally like a bunch of like bees or like little ants, and you're like just moving things around. Making pizza smiley faces. That's okay. Okay, so we just deleted everything. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Give me 1 second. Okay, so did we brainstorm? Did we get some good ideas? It probably wasn't 5 minutes. I wasn't paying too much attention, but it's not too bad. You know, when you think about what other people need and what kind of features would like help bring your or just make your app better. Okay, here's the prompt. I'm not gonna hang around here too much, but that's for you guys. Okay, so here's for our Sparky's Pizza Delivery app. And because you guys are such great designers and possibly have made even more pizza smiley face. Oh my. Oh, this is great. Okay, so you guys are just gonna start designing. Like you guys, Figma's not too hard to use, is it? No, it's not too bad. It's very intuitive. And if you've used it before, you know it like the back of your hand within a week. So yeah, we're gonna start on these screens. I made like this thing. I'm not sure if it's there anymore. Let's see. Somewhere in here. Oh, I have the comment thing on. All right, let me. Actually, would you guys help me clean this up a little bit? All right, guys. Okay. All right, guys. That works. All of my comments. Oh. I'm gonna shut this off for a second. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys are crazy. I can't even say anything else to that. That is amazing. That is beautiful. Okay, so we're actually just gonna move right in after we change the slides on those. Yeah.
Do you want another Figma file?
Did you copy it?
I did.
I didn't copy it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can just start from scratch.
I made so many things there.
Sorry. You can technically Control Z from your side.
From my side?
I think so, yeah.
No, I can't. No, I
No.
can't. No, I can't.
Okay, just create a new Figma file and just start from scratch. Oh.
Sure. Okay, so you know how it says menu done on here? It's not done anymore because y'all deleted it. Y'all deleted my work. How dare you? I mean, seriously. I'm slightly mad, but anyways, I think I'm just gonna create a new Figma file because y'all. Hi.
I have a design idea.
Yeah,
We should have like a compass points to the closest pizza place.
that's such a good idea.
Compass is a fork, not an actual compass.
Let's do it. Let's do it like the ASU logo.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And then you can put like a pedometer on it and show it like that.
Steps to the pizza. Doesn't Sporky like run or something? Or like sporks? I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Let's do that idea for the delivery one. Okay. Okay, guys.
Behance? Dribble? Coming.
All right. I'm gonna think about what to do for a second because y'all deleted my designs. No.
See if I can recover them.
Oh, but some of you guys are so kind and you wrote a little note. A few. I like you. Hi.
Maybe you can Control Z.
He's telling me I can control Z this, guys. There ain't no way. There ain't no way. Okay, I'm creating a new file. I'm creating a new file.
I mean, you can just.
But you guys are still in my team, so maybe you'll figure out how to access that. I'm terrified. Save your squad. All right, we're okay. So if you've never done this before, this is a great example. So we're just gonna go up here. We're gonna press design file. I'm gonna leave it untitled. Okay.
Strict editing.
Okay. I can't restrict editing. Are you kidding me?
Oh,
You guys are gonna find it. I just know you guys are gonna find it. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna start designing as fast as I can because I don't trust you guys too much. After you deleted all my work.
you guys can just continue working on that one and just create your own colony in Figma. And then, I don't know, something fun might happen. So that file is yours, guys. You can do whatever you want there.
It definitely looks like a colony. You guys are just like building things all together and fighting over assets and all of the pizzas in there. You just turn them into smiley faces. I don't know. Okay, but I'm gonna start designing. I guess the menu screen again because all right, or we can do the compass idea. Everyone for the compass idea, let's see.
Raise your hands.
I want to say raise your hand, but I know that there are cooler things to do than raise your hand. How about you just stand up? You just stand up.
That's not cool. No one is gonna stand up.
Stand up or raise your hand.
I say multi triple. I say multi triple. Or each one I can.
Okay. So we're gonna go. I need to hold this, but I also have to do that.
I can hold my.
You're gonna
I'll just hold.
just hold it. Just it's not on.
Okay, I'm holding it.
Cool. Okay, and we're gonna go to Dribble. Now we're gonna look up pizza delivery app.
We underestimated your creativity, guys. We didn't know you would start a colony. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go rogue, and we're gonna do something better. We're gonna teach you guys how to get the inspiration for design. So we initially planned to like show you the really cool design that we made for you, but that design is gone. It's in the limbo now. It was destroyed in the revolution of the ASU students who overthrew the unprotected Figma file. So. We're gonna give you the resource that so many designers use around the world, and you guys probably either never heard of it or you never used it. It's called Dribble, and it has 3 B's, dribbable, because it's like dribbling. Fun site, and basically what people do there is they post their projects. So when a designer wants to get a job, they post their stuff on Dribble, and well, they get hired based on that. That's like your portfolio. So what we could do is we could look at all of those designs and we could see what is interesting. And this is actually legitimately how it works. You look at other people's design, you see how they made it, and we're going to show you more resources where you can get the inspiration for it. And you start creating something on your own. So we're going to be guiding you. You have access to the colony. You have access to this. Let's see who makes what and who makes it better.
Thank you. That was exceptional. I have posted things on this Dribbable platform. Well, I kind of want you guys to guess, but it's really not obvious. So I'm just gonna show you. I literally designed Lockheed Martin. I redesigned their website just for fun because I like planes in America. So, anyways, we're gonna go back here. We're gonna go to pizza delivery. Pizza delivery app. And then we're gonna grab inspirational ideas. So let's see. Here's the one that I had on the original, but you guys remember that. But let's actually pick a different one. I like this video that this guy's got here, but it kind of doesn't look too great. Okay, I like this one a lot. I like the margarita pizza, and I like that it has this kind of there. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this, and I'm gonna paste it into my Figma file, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go grab even more inspiration. Let's see what else is on here. Maybe some like map stuff. Map app. Because we're gonna have that kind of feature. Okay, so we'll go on this one. And you know, as you're watching me do this, like feel free to do the same for your own project. Seriously, I'm just doing this for Sparky because Sparky is really mad at us because we didn't hurry up and make his app. So
We recovered it.
you
There's a versioning thing. Spec. It's
You're
just
so
fine.
kind.
Copy, yeah. So if you want to use it, you can use it.
It's gonna get eaten up again.
Not unless we hide it somehow. I don't know if we can. We're just
It's
gonna,
okay.
we can recover every single version, so we can just keep changing it. Try it.
Okay, guys, so I have great news. I have great news. We have recovered it. How to actually find that? Not too sure. Oh my. I don't I want to go in here. I just want to see what's happening. Okay, so we have Sparky, poor Sparky, just running around. Somebody drew on this, I guess. That's just lorem ipsum, guys. It doesn't mean anything. And then check. Check. Sparky is running or something. Oh my. Okay. Welcome. All of my comments are just running away too. Page 10. This is terrifying. Oh. Oh my gosh. Hi. What are you doing in here? Oh, another one. Hi. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get away from you guys because I'm scared. I feel like it's there to haunt me or something. Completed compass. All or completed compass. Now this is no. I got locked out of the last meeting. Yeah, a few people did. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, okay. All right, okay. Moving on. I am Google's CEO. I am. Huh? I can. I can. I don't want to. I like you guys. I like having you guys in there. Yeah.
You can remove the copy one, please.
Yeah, where is it?
I don't know. Just exit this. Just exit before some sketchy stuff starts.
Not here.
It should be in the drafts.
Not here either.
Not this one?
No, no, that's mine.
Okay. I'm not sure where it is then. I think Zeal has it. Oh, yeah. Zeal has
Well,
it.
she can just send
Yeah.
it.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Gotcha. Very cool.
You know, oh, wait. Interesting. All right, guys, we're just gonna continue to move on with the original idea that you guys don't have access to because you guys are building your colony in there, and I see that it's very scary. And you guys already have some inside jokes and local memes, as we call them. Okay, so it's kind of hard to design when you have one hand and the other one has to hold a microphone. So I'm just gonna be over here working. But again, feel free to like work on your actual ideas. My officers are very busy over there. I don't really what's going on. They're probably trying to recover the rest of my thing. The colony that I built previously. It's long gone. Anyways, so yeah, they'll be around to help you guys with anything that you need, and you know, I can help too. All right, guys. So I'm gonna start designing this. I'm just gonna be silent for a while. But yeah, go ahead. Let's see what you can do. Also, you can create a new Figma file too if you don't want to be in the chaos. Hello, what is happening? Okay. Okay, so let's create this. Who is this Benjamin? Let's see if I can do it. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna just go here. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like there's no way that I can avoid Benjamin. Okay, so Benjamin is like the most dedicated person in this room, just by that, just by the high comment. I think there's another one now. Okay, Benjamin, you're very kind. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm just gonna keep designing over here. By the way, if you put anything in there, be careful. These guys can get you. Guys can get you. Actually, no, no. Yeah.
Okay, you got access to the Figma file?